Are you a Ford fan? If you are, then you are absolutely going to love the all-new Ford Maverick 2023. The current model of the Ford Maverick, which is no longer available to order in the US, will shortly be replaced by the 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid. The reopening of the order book for Ford's smallest and most reasonably priced pickup truck will coincide with the introduction of the model year 2023. You remember that 1970s little automobile, right? A brand new pickup truck was given the Ford Maverick moniker in honor of the Ford Mustang rival. Thus, the Ford Maverick is a huge hit, whereas the discontinued model may be forgotten about in the near future. For the 2023 year, the Ford Maverick comes with a number of brand new and interesting features, but there is a possibility that one issue has not been resolved. Even though we can't wait to test out the new trim levels, it's possible that the 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid won't have an all-wheel drive. Hey folks, welcome back to Tech Addicts. In this video, we are going to find out the Ford Maverick's new model booking. So without any further do's, let us dive in. It is possible that the 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid does not receive an important update. All-wheel drive with a hybrid powertrain has been a feature that many admirers of the small truck have been pleading for, but it appears that this possibility will not be realized anytime soon. At this time, all-wheel drive is only available on the Maverick if you select the more powerful gas-powered engine rather than the hybrid powertrain that is the standard offering. That makes it impossible for individuals to enjoy the cost savings of hybrid vehicles and the capability of venturing out into the wilderness at the same time. Additionally, the towing package is not available with any other engine than the more powerful one. Because of this, the hybrid model can only pull a maximum of 2,000 pounds, whereas other versions can pull up to 4,000 pounds. We are aware that the Ford Maverick Tremor comes equipped with a brand new and improved all-wheel drive system, but guess what? This package can only be purchased with the more powerful engine option. Will all-wheel drive be available on the 2023 Maverick Hybrid? Motor Trend suggests that all-wheel drive will be available on the 2023 Ford Maverick Hybrid. The fact that the reports regarding the hybrid truck getting all-wheel drive haven't been confirmed or dismissed as of yet allows us to maintain some level of optimism for the time being. According to reports, the AWD system was incorporated into the design of the Maverick Hybrid from the very beginning. On the other hand, it's possible that Ford sought to simplify the available options during the first year of the truck's production in order to streamline the available alternatives. The battery in the Maverick Hybrid is 1.1 kilowatt hours, but it doesn't take up much space, so there's flexibility for either another battery, a larger battery, or an all-wheel drive. However, there is evidence to suggest that the Ford Maverick plug-in hybrid electric vehicle with all-wheel drive may be on its way. Since we do not anticipate that the plug-in hybrid version of the Maverick will be less expensive than the normal hybrid version, the cost of hybrid power with all-wheel drive may be high. On the other hand, the PHEV Maverick might give a greater amount of power. The existing hybrid system consists of a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 1.1 kilowatt-hour battery. Together, these components provide 191 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque. We still don't know much about the 2023 Ford Maverick. The order books open in September, so we may learn more in the coming weeks. It is most likely a carryover model. Fans are hoping that the Ford Maverick Hybrid will be offered with all-wheel drive, but it looks like they will have to wait a little bit longer. However, they could be interested in the substantial enhancements that are included with the reasonably priced Ford Maverick Tremor. The Tremor package can be added for an additional cost of $2,995, and it includes an AWD system with a twin-clutch rear-drive locking differential, specialized suspension springs, enhanced dampers, a 1-inch lift, a heavy-duty transmission cooler, skid plates, tow hooks, and all-terrain tires. We cannot wait to get behind the wheel of the Ford Maverick Tremor, but we are keeping our fingers crossed that the hybrid version will include the option of all-wheel drive. In the coming days and weeks, there will be further Maverick news, so stay tuned. The new Maverick is a tiny vehicle below the Ford Ranger. The Ford Escape also underpins the Ford Bronco Sport. Its unibody design differs from the body-on-frame Ford F-150. It costs less than more renowned competitors, but still has the mobility and capabilities of a pickup truck, making it a wonderful value if you don't require mid-size truck muscle. The Maverick's small size makes it easier to maneuver in cities. Country roads and minor off-roading are no problem. It doesn't have the smoothest ride or quietest interior, but it's functional. The bed has innovative storage solutions and an all-wheel drive for slippery weather. The Maverick's interior might use more electronics and luxury, but it's well made and comfy. Simple layout, intuitive features. Ford Maverick Performance? You can have a 250 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The Maverick can tow 4,000 pounds. Both versions can haul up to 1,500 pounds like medium pickups. Both powertrains include an 8-speed automatic. The 2.0-liter Maverick can go from 0 to 60 in 6.4 seconds, according to Edmunds. Smooth gearbox changes enable rapid dynamic acceleration. Downshifting is sluggish. Heavy yet responsive steering like a truck. Maverick turns smoothly and stops well. The Ford Maverick has a low body roll and feels steady in bends. The truck's firm suspension might produce road noise. 8.3-inch ground clearance is good for off-roading. Ford Maverick comfort? The Ford Maverick boasts comfortable seats for lengthy trips. A Lariat with faux leather was tried. The power controls enable several adjustments for the optimal driving posture. Taller people may need greater knee space. Road flaws and bumps make the Maverick jerky, but the seats don't bounce. Higher winds make noise. The turbo engine wheezes at low speeds. Accelerating sounds better. The back seat is cramped, but the seats are pleasant and well padded. 2 adults fit. Taller passengers may require additional legroom in the upright rear seat. You and your passenger may choose separate temperatures with dual-zone climate control. On frigid mornings, the heated seats and steering wheel function immediately, and the AC keeps everyone cool. Maverick gas mileage? The Ford Maverick Hybrid scores 42 cities and 33 highway MPG. Non-hybrids earn 23 city MPG and 29 highway MPG, according to the EPA. Adding AWD drops these statistics to 22-29 MPG. On mountain roads, flat countryside, and bustling urban streets, the Lariat got 19.6 MPG. What about the Ford Maverick's interior? The Ford Maverick's interior arrangement is straightforward. Everything is labeled and easily accessible. Standard models aren't plush. The Maverick's interior hard plastics don't feel cheap. Durable plastics are textured, interior contrast colors pop, it's soft and cleanable. Upgrading trims add heated seats, a heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, and adjustable lumbar support. The Maverick's big boxy windows improve visibility. Everywhere is clear. The sunroof adds additional natural light. Blind spot monitoring helps with narrow side mirrors. All trims have an 8-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. The infotainment system is easy to operate and fast. Setting up the vehicle takes seconds. You may add a wireless phone charger and Bang & Olufsen audio. The Ford Escape's digital gauge cluster is identical. Personalize it to display important details. This channel brings you the most latest and relevant news on cars. For more like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Ford Maverick storage space? Large objects won't fit in the Ford Maverick's cab. Flipping the back seat doesn't flatten the cargo floor. There are nooks and boxes for smaller goods and huge door pockets for water bottles. The console might be deeper. The Maverick features a 26.9 cubic foot, 4-foot 6-inch cargo bed. The bed can handle 18 4x8 foot 3/4-inch plywood sheets without angling them. Flexible has storage cubbies, a 12-volt power point, a 110-volt outlet, 8 tie-downs, LED lighting, 4 threaded bed holes, and a bottle opener. What about Ford Maverick safety ratings? The NHTSA and IIHS haven't rated the Ford Maverick yet. Once safety ratings are announced, we'll update this. 2 recalls affected the Maverick. Both were for incorrectly connected rear seat belts and fuel tank damage. Both issues were fixed for free. Automatic emergency braking is standard, but you can add the lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection. And that brings us to the end of this video. Feel free to let us know what you think about this video. And if you liked this video, then please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.